azvina kumira mushe mhuri yezimbabwe. Ndiri kutambira mashoko pano andiri kuona pari kubudiswa nyaya iri kuitika kuharvest house, iyo inova nzvimbo yanganga ichizivikanwa kuti ndo pakanga pari pamusha peopposition yemuzimbabwe, kana kuti pemain opposition yemuzimbabwe paharvest house. So panapa nyaya iripo iri kunzi vanhu ava vasisina political funding, kana kuti mafunders, vanhu vaya vanenge vachibuda vachivapa mari kuti basa ngariende mberi, kontinya yavakomana, toda kuti zvinhu zvifambe zvakanaka panapa. So pari kunzi, in other news, stranded Douglas Mwonzora has turned second floor of the Tsvangirai house, formerly Harvest House, into a flea market. ZANU-PF stopped funding MDCT after realizing that Mwonzora had no political capital. Watchman Ngube and Chabangu are facing the same fate. I think ndakambozvitaura, but inini zvangu zvekuzonzi ZANU-PF ndio yanga ichifanda, it's allegedly, and this is zvinhu zvokuti ndingati zvangu ndanga ndavaona direct, asi tinoziva kuti kautengesi kanga karipo kanga kachingoitwa nevakomana ivavo, but hamene kuti papi manje pavanga vachitengesera. But chinhu chandiri kufarireko zvinezvi hakusisina kana chekutengesa chacho. Main target anga ari Advocate Nelson Chamisa, but iko zvinezvi hasisina kutargetwa because akabva angoti inini Citizen Coalition for Change, kana kuti this political party yamuri kunyanya kunditargetera ndamboisa mabreak, saka vanhu chimboita yamuri kutoita ipapo. Saka zvakabva zvangomiswa zvakadaro. Pari kunzi kwato neflea market zvamo muharvest house. Hama dzadiwa, zvinhu hazvina kumira mushe. Ndiri kukutaurira amene kuti munoionawo senyaya iyi munokwanisa kundiudzawo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyoyi, nekuti inini ndakazvitarisa ndiri kutoona kuti akudyiwe rinopisa. Vanhu vanongopedzera vakutoita kana yese yese ka, because kunenge kusisina anenge achada kubudisa mari yake. Ndio nyaya yacho iri panapa. Sarai makateerera this audio, mundudzo zvamuri kufunga mucomment section. Kana uchinge une chako chekutaurawo, namba idzodzo ndidzo basa radzo.
Izvozvizvi muchiona nyaya dzese dziri kuitwa neZANU-PF, they are defending their wrongdoing. They are defending their culture corruption. Because as soon a corruption to come to be a culture, that thing never be ended up. And that country never be fixed. Look, now, nearby Malawi, rising up. Look, that small boy, a friend of Putin, a multi-millionaire in Malawi. And look what he do. The guys of ZANU-PF, they are fighting with an unnecessary thing. How a corruption guy, you cry and you want to lead Zimbabwe, but already are corrupt, already a criminal. Is it impossible? A criminal to lead the country? I give an example. Kuti ungatora chidhumo anoti Edika Mazendeke dai vanga vari vapenyu kuti yamulead Zimbabwe Mondi Nambaroi. I listen some of the people, they are speaking, a mouth don't be full to speak some words, and they cannot be ended up to speak what you want to speak, but speak what you want and with a good idea and leading with example, because some other people, they are speaking bad words about we want to do this, ZANU-PF, we want to do this. I want to say to those there say that if you are on the ground in Zimbabwe, we'll be in trouble. And there knows. Look, Nyamakanga, Calvin Nyamakanga, how long he stay? Because he try to intimidate him, to brutalizing him. Maybe he can change his mind. Same like Amos Baya. He try to brutalizing and to put Amos Shibaya to the prison. Doesn't mean about you can change the brain of the people to love Chamisa. No. And what is happening now to those two guys who was playing a game with Chivayo for the criminal story in Zimbabwe? And where are they now? If the judiciary of Zimbabwe is working, they're supposed to be out. And the judiciary investigation, he can work with that. Then he can see where is the problem, where is the wrong, or where is the right, where is the wrong, where is the right, where is the wrong. Now the judiciary of Zimbabwe is fucked up. The judiciary of ZANU-PF. Zimbabwe don't have a judiciary. That is the only problem of Zimbabwe. That's why he fucked up all the human rights laws. Because as soon as he fucked up all the human rights laws, which means you fucked up all the judiciary, you fucked up all the system of the police, you fucked up all the system of the army, you rising the law of the CIO to kill people and throw them away and get a bribe. That's why if you can go everywhere in Zimbabwe, it's a bribe. That's why I call them a culture corruption. Corruption in Zimbabwe, it's a culture now. Even the police, you don't have a paper to write a ticket. If you caught you do the wrong, you park in a wrong way. You don't have a pen and a paper to write a ticket. Then a person, you are able to pay to the traffic department police. Then they can make money with that. If you don't pay that bill, which means your car, you don't get a disc. That is the system how other countries they do. If you don't pay a fine, no matter you renew your license, you can have a license, but PRDP, you don't have a defense. Defensive, you don't get it. But they are canceling everything there because of corruption. A police, if he goes to the road, you went there because of the purpose of money. Army, you go to the road with the purpose of money. Go to the Bed Bridge now. Go to the Bed Bridge, Porter Post. The army, they are fighting to go to the Jute 24/7. But they allow them to be there for 4 hours. But they are crying to be in the border post for 24/7 or the whole life because they are making money with the corruption there.